Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace a lower door hinge bushing on this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and lithium grease. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 mounting screws, securing the hinge cover. Set the cover aside. If replacing the bushing for the left side door, pull back the plastic covering, then depress the tab to disconnect the large wire harness. Depress the tab to disconnect the small wire harness. If applicable, depress the retaining ring to release the water line from the tubing connector. If replacing the right side hinge bushing, simply disconnect the 2 wire connectors. Have an assistant help to hold the door as you release the appropriate upper hinge support. Lift the front of the hinge out of the door first, then pull the hinge free of the bracket and detach it from the wires and water line, if applicable. Carefully lift the door off the lower hinge and set it aside. You can now lift off the old hinge bushing. To install the new lower door hinge bushing, align it on the hinge pin. Apply some lithium grease to the new bushing. Reinstall the door by setting it on the bushing. Close the door and reinstall the upper hinge by first aligning the wires and the water line, if applicable, in the hinge slot. Insert the rear tab into the bracket, then insert the front of the hinge into the door. Align the hinge support on the support bracket and push the support down to secure the hinge. Fully insert the water line in the tubing connector, if necessary. Reconnect the wire harnesses or connectors. Reposition the cover and rethread the 3 mounting screws. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.